How to change Discord server region. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change Discord server region. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Discord app. Then go to your server. Once you are in server, swipe left, and here in server you have to press and hold this general. In voice channels you have to press and hold general, and then you have to tap on edit channel, and here in channel settings scroll down, and here you will see region override, and here is automatic. Tap on automatic and select the country you want. After selecting, go back and tap on save in the top right corner. And so this is how you can change Discord server region on the Discord app. Thanks for watching.